What would you do if you couldn't afford the basic necessities your family needs? For many in our community, food, shelter, opportunities for their children are constant worries. It is a daily struggle. For more than 2 decades, Kerr Street Mission has been providing essential care and a community of support for those struggling to make ends meet. Our donor community has demonstrated incredible passion and generosity. We are so thankful for the faithful support that helps us love our neighbors well. Live on Kerr has always been a much-loved event that pays tribute to KSM's generous community and the impact that we have made together. In past years, special guests like Jerry Hall, Pinball Clemens, Adam Groh, and Colin Mockery joined us to celebrate as we shared stories of hope. And in 2021, Live on Kerr went virtual, and what a night it was. We partnered with favorite Oakville restaurants for a delicious meal and an exciting show. 2022 Live on Kerr promises to be another exciting evening packed full of inspiration, stories of hope, and much more, all from the comfort of your home. We hope you will join us and make this a special evening, an evening to remember.